Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know it's been forever since I've been on here, literally like forever, but I'm here now, so that's all that matters. But anyway, as you guys can see in the title, and if you guys follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you guys know I made this video for you guys, and it's basically just going to be the initial review on this hair, as well as showing you guys how I installed this wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did that and knowing more about this hair, then just stay tuned.
Stop giving a damn about when they tell me how I won't make it out. I already won.
So this hair is from a company called Crown Hair Company, and they're on Instagram. You just type in Crown Hair Co, and I'll put all their information in the description box down below so you guys don't have to do any searching. They are a well-known hair company that sells a virgin hair. You just go on there and see what you would like, but this hair in particular is their virgin 613 blonde hair. I actually received 4 bundles from them, but I think I put all 4 in here. This hair is super thick. Like, this unit is very thick all the way through. And it goes, let me show you guys. The hair goes down to my waist. You guys see where the bodysuit comes up. It goes down here. The longest bundles that I got was 26 inches. So it was like maybe an 18 or 20 inch frontal. Then I had 20, 22, 24, 26 bundles, and they weren't really thick. They were thick enough, but they weren't super thick bundles or whatever. Like, I used 4 bundles. So, but the hair of the unit is super thick. The hair is soft. Like, y'all know I'm a sucker for some soft hair, okay? And this hair is super, super, super soft. I made a red unit maybe almost even a year ago, to be honest, but that wig was terrible. The blonde hair itself just was really bad. The hair, just the hair in general was just terrible. All of it was bad. So I had to remake me a red wig, and I love this so much. I'm so happy I decided to do it on this hair because it took the color really well. It looks good on the frontal. Like, it's just, everything is going great. A little bit more about their company. They are having a sale right now for Labor Day. So I'll probably post something on Instagram to get you guys looking or whatever, because this video will not be up today. But they ship worldwide. Okay, I thought they were gonna have like a location, because some hair companies have locations in like Texas, Florida, Atlanta, but they do not have a location. I'm not gonna go through all the hair they sell and stuff like that. You just go on there. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go check it out yourself. But that's pretty much it about their company. They do sell different type of hair. Like, they have their gold label collection. This is double drawn hair, carefully sorted virgin hair extensions. They have black label, which is carefully selected single drawn virgin hair extensions. Then they have their closure and frontals, featured collections, all of that stuff. They have so many different options you can choose from, colors and stuff like that. So just go on there and give them a look. I definitely do recommend their hair. Like I said, this is just an initial review because this is the first time I'm wearing this hair and dealing with it. But I usually can tell, I don't know if I said this in a video before, but I usually can tell right off the bat if the hair is good or not. I mean, it's like, it's simple. Like, if the hair is acting good now, it usually, well, my experience is my hair usually stays good. It doesn't really, I never got any like horror stories with hair, like it clumps up or it started shedding after 2 days, or, you know, stiff hair. None of that. Like, I've had some bad hair, but not terrible to where it just was not wearable, like, you know. So I could just kind of tell that this hair is it's gonna be good to me. It's super movable. Like, I cannot stop touching it. Like, I'm just so in love. I wanted to make a construction video for you guys, but sorry about that, you guys, but I wanted to make a construction video for you guys, but I don't know what I was doing to where I couldn't record that day, but I ended up doing the construction and the coloring the same day, and I think I was just super busy or something like that. But the coloring is super simple. I just use a Adore dye. I usually use Adore dye when I'm using the 613 hair because it's just amazing. Like, Adore works really good. Colors always come out bomb. You know what I'm saying, poppin'. But yeah, I use the Adore dye. I use 3 colors. I use crimson, I use ruby red, and then I use like, it was their dark red, like it was like ravishing red or something like that. That's probably super wrong, but it was a darker red, and I used that on my roots. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, kind of, but yeah, I used the, sorry about that y'all, but anyway, I used the darker red. I'm gonna find it for you guys and just put all the colors in the description so you guys don't have to be searching, because I hate searching when I'm watching people's YouTube videos. Like, they be saying, oh, I dyed my hair purple. Okay, well, what purple did you do? Because we like that, we want to know. So, you know, so anyway, I dyed it with the dark red on the top. I used the dark red like in between, like I try to have it like not highlights but like different two-tone red hair. So like, it's not really picking up on camera, but it's like darker in some spots, streaks, I don't know how to describe it, but like mostly underneath and shit like that. But I used the crimson and the ruby red mostly everywhere else, that lighter red. The mistake I made on my old red hair is I just used like a super bright red the whole head. The frontal I had from the company was terrible. It just looked really bad. Like the whole wig, it was a throwaway. So I'm really happy with the results for this one. This hair is just so good. I have no complaints about it at all. It doesn't really shed too much. I've never really had shedding with 613 hair from any company. I don't know. I just never really have that issue. So I don't have that issue now. I'll let you guys know in the future, maybe a few weeks to a month from now, how this hair is holding up. But it is a wig, and I don't wear my wigs back to back to back to back. Like, I wear them once in a while, so usually my hair stays in good conditions. But yeah, I dyed it with the Adore hair dye. I constructed this wig like I do with any other wig. Just get a mesh cap, sew it on, and that's pretty much it. Wigs are super easy to make. I have to make a video for you guys of me constructing them, but the only reason why I haven't yet is just because I feel like my work is not that clean. It's low-key a little bit sloppy. Like, I'm not even about to lie to y'all. I make wigs for myself. I'm not a professional wig maker. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not licensed. I promise I did this stuff off YouTube, watched videos, and just, you know, whatever sunk into my brain, that's the product of the wig. Now, my wigs look super nice and stuff like that. They could be way better. I'm still learning and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm not professional or anything. And that's why I kind of steer away from making wigs for other people. Just because I'm not a pro. I'm not Arrogant Tay, you know. I'm not all of them. Like, they is bomb. And I'm still learning and stuff like that, and I can make it work for me. I can make my wigs look good for me. I'm still mastering my head shape, my hairline and stuff like that. So I promise when I get super good, I'll be making wigs for everybody all the time. You know, people ask me all the time, please make wigs for me, please make wigs for me. And I've made wigs for people and they've turned out pretty good. But like, when I get super good, like when I feel confident about my work and stuff, then I have no problem making them for people. Like, my sewing is not super straight. I don't use a sewing machine right now. I don't even know how to right now. But my work is not super clean is what I'm trying to say, to just be selling to anybody. I make it work for me. I make it, you know, hold up for me. It's not sloppy, but it's just not perfect like I want it to be. So I'm still learning that, and when I get that down packed, I'll definitely let you guys know, because so many people ask me to their hair and stuff like that. So I'm not a hairstylist, but I can make it work for you guys in the future. So that's pretty much about this hair. I love this company. I say a lot, but I love this company. They're sweet to me. Their customer service was amazing. Shipping took a little bit longer, but I'm collaborating with them, so I'm not sure if it was just because maybe she forgot or something like that. But customer service shipping, I can't say I know if it's fast or not, because I never really ordered through them. We're collaborating, so they just sent the hair to me when they wanted to. So I don't know how shipping is, but their customer service is super nice. They get back to you fast. The hair itself is really nice. I haven't tried their natural hair yet, but I will in the future. But the 613 hair is amazing. It's soft, movable. It doesn't really shed. It takes color really well. So that's pretty much about the initial review part, because like I said, I just got this hair first time wearing it, so I don't know too much about it. But from from the looks of it, from how it's holding up right now, I really like it. I do recommend you guys to get it. So yeah, if you guys are interested on seeing how I install this wig, just continue to watch, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video.